sometimes all we are feeling is worthless. I'll tell you a story to justify this. That is, once there was a person who was on the verge of being a monk. And now, before turning into a monk, he decided to stay with a monk in the monks community for a year. He was staying there and he decided that before becoming a monk, he will be facing all the fears and all the thoughts and all the feelings that he has been trying to avoid for all these years. And now, suddenly he started feeling very worthless. And now, he thought facing means trying to justify it, which is the exact opposite. In all of my videos, I've told millions of times that facing doesn't mean justifying. The more you try to justify yourself about a thought, about why is it happening, it shouldn't be happening to me, the more you try to dive into its reason, the more you get affected by it. So then the guy told him that I've been feeling very worthless lately. I had so many works to do. I had 100 works to do. I did 50 of them. The other 50 I couldn't do. I feel like I'm procrastinating and useless and all. So then the elder monk smiled and he told him. The guy didn't understood this and he thought that facing means justifying, knowing why and all that. So he was sitting with it and suddenly an elder monk, he noticed him. He came over and he told him, "You look very puzzled. What is it?" So the guy said, "Yes, I am. I am feeling very worthless, but how do you know?" So then the other monk said that our faces are a reflection of our mind. Every thought, every feeling, whatever is going on in the core of our mind starts showing in our faces. You wake up every day. You do your daily chores. You help others do their daily chores. You help others have a smile on their face. After completing your daily chores, you go over and talk with the elderly people who are very often tend to be overlooked in the shelter nearby. You talk with them, then you go out, you talk with kids, then you go out and you feed so many animals out there. And after the entire day, when you are the reason for so many smiles, how can you possibly ever be worthless? And most importantly, after all of this, you feel grateful, you feel happy after doing it. And nothing can ever be greater, bigger, any task. No task is ever bigger than putting a smile on your own face and the faces of others near you. So then the guy asked, "But why didn't I realize this earlier?" Then the monk said, "It's because you didn't check into the reality." The more mindful we are, the more we notice, we start noticing and feeling that yes, we are better than what we were thinking we were all these days. The more you notice, the more happier you become. If you do watch the entire video, the link to the channel is in the bio. Bye bye, all the best. Hope to meet you very soon.